Hi, Portia. My name is Mary, and I'm with the Principal Marketing Firm. Thank you for talking to me on the phone and providing this email so I can send you over these 3 things that can help bring in more customers to your business today. I already know you're probably sitting down or you're standing and you're asking yourself, why am I doing this right now and what's in it for me? And I understand fully and I get it. But the unfortunate thing is that most of the time, local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can impact and benefit their company. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have is hiring someone they don't know who is or who isn't the expert. And I know by giving people a free plan of actual things that can impact their business for free can result in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying to me, I like you, Mary, and can you please do this for me a little bit more? So by the end of this video, if you're looking at this and you're thinking to yourself, I got this, I can do it myself. I collected this knowledge and I'm going to run with it. I 100% get that. But if you're also sitting there and you're saying, I like what you have presented to me and I would love to have a deeper conversation with you, then please shoot me a message back and we can jump right into having that conversation. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So when we go on your page right here, we see that you have a lot of content. It's showing exactly what the consumers would want to see, but unfortunately, it's not enough keywords. You have about 1,100 keywords, and Google wants 1,500 to be optimized. Your competitors over here, they have, I think, about 600 keywords. It's not very much at all. So they're not really being optimized either. We can beat them out by a landslide if we get over that 1,500 keywords. I also want to jump into keywords in general. So maybe you don't know exactly what keywords are, but keywords are like when I research real estate agents in Reno, Nevada, you get sponsors, and sponsors are basically people that have paid for their advertisement. You get people in the citation realm, which is our Google Map Packs, which is the second thing I wanted to go over with you. And a Google Map Pack is basically a business that has provided the name, address, and phone number. You can see right here, these are some of your competitors, aka NAPs, that can pull up your business automatically on Google. I know you're probably asking yourself, Mary, how do I get on Google Map Apps? Don't worry, I'm here for you, and that's what I'm trying to get you to be on, is to be that number one when people search your name, that you get brought up here instead of Marshall Realty or Craig Team Realty or Nevada Real Estate Group. It needs to be, you guys first. So this is the main goal, is to get you guys there. Because first of all, let's face it, your site, it's beautiful. I love seeing this layout when you first come on here. And that should be first, presented first. We do use this site called WhiteSpark, which is over here. And it shows you how many citations that you have. Right now you have 11 citations. Your competitors have 63 and 67. Craig's team does have 9, but you want to have at least 200 to 300 citations to beat out your competitors. And right now you only have 11. And these citations, they can be seen in Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, all that good stuff. If I click onto your citations here, bear with me a moment. You're going to see some links on here. You see you have Zillow, you have Facebook, Realtor.com. You have some good ones on here, but they're not enough citations going back to you guys. If you click on your competitors over here, they have so many more citations that are linking back to them. They have LinkedIn, they have Yelp and Bing, they have bbb.org, yellowpages.com. You want those things on your back end. Now, the very last thing that I want to talk about is backlinks, which is something that's very an important aspect to Google. And we call these things backlinks because they give your site authority. We know that if we search real estate agents in Reno, or looking for a new home in Reno, whatever it is regarding your niche that you have, you want to make sure that you're that relevant site. So for instance, here's a really good example. If you have a site that is realestateagentsinreno.com, you want that to be linking back to you instead of having a site that's not really efficient like Pizza Hut linking back to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. We're here to get people in their dream houses. This is where you want to be number one, having that authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest or being the A+ student, making sure all the information is correct. And this is where we bring in those keywords. So as we pull up your site right here, just want to get back to the main three factors, which is that content, having at least 1,500 words to be optimized in Google's eyes. Citations, 200, 300, beat out your competition by a landslide. Backlinks is you want to have more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are in the authority and that you should be number one across Google in your area today. Now, after all this information that I've given you, you can go with it. You can say, Mary, I got this. I can do it myself, which I definitely would understand. But if you want the most effective way, please don't hesitate to give me a call at all. I would love to save you some time and to just get on the phone call with you and go over this stuff. My number is 775-402-2885, and that is my personal cell phone number. I am the co-founder and CEO of the Principal Marketing Group, and I would love to sit down and have a conversation with you so we can see how we can obtain some more traffic going to you guys. Thank you for listening, Portia, and I appreciate it. I hope you have a great one. Bye-bye.